how to reset all settings on iPhone running on iOS 26. Tap on the settings. First thing to be sure, make sure that you have the latest version of the iOS, which is iOS 26. Tap on General, tap on Software Update. Now make sure that you update your iPhone to the latest version, which is known as iOS 26.0. Now that I've done that, then to reset all settings on your iPhone, tap on General again, then scroll down to this place. You see Transfer and Reset iPhones. Tap on it. Then tap on Reset iPhone, Reset button here. Once tap on that, you have access to this option, Reset All Settings. Tap on this Reset All Settings button. It comes up like this. Provide your passcode. If you have one in your face lock. Now, if you have a FaceTime passcode, tap on the FaceTime passcode on your device. Then go ahead and tap on Reset All Settings. That's all, guys. Doing so, it resets your phone, but be sure that all other parameters are saved on your device. If you enjoyed this tip and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.